Welcome student. In the last lecture we have seen the inverse of a matrix by adjoint method, and we have taken one example of 2 by 2 matrix. Now we find inverse of a matrix, square matrix of order 3. Okay. So solution, let A is equal to 1 0 1 0 2 3 1 2 1. Let A be the matrix. As we have seen in previous lecture, the procedure and steps how to find the inverse of a matrix. So there is first step, we find determinant of A. The determinant of a matrix 1 0 1 0 2 3 1 2 1 is equal to. Now we expand the determinant 1 into 2 minus 6, 1 into 2 minus 6 plus 0 into anything 0, last plus 1 into 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 is equal to, so 2 minus 6 minus 4, and here 0 minus 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, so that is equal to minus 6, which is not equal to 0, and therefore A inverse exists. Determinant value 0 नहीं आली, त्यामुळे A inverse exist है, non singular matrix. Now we find cofactors of each element, by using formula Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. Now we use this formula for finding cofactor of each element. आणि आपण एक चिन्हाचा एक मॅट्रिक्स घेणार आहे. तर पेन्सिलने तुम्ही आन्सर शीट मध्ये लिहायचा, नंतर कोडून टाकलं तरी चालेल. प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस, अल्टरनेट प्लस मायनस आहेत चिन्ह. सो नाउ वी फाइंड द कोफॅक्टर ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, दॅट इज A11 is equal to 2 3 2 3 2 1. Here the first sign is plus, so 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. A11 is minus 4. Now A12, now A12 has sign minus, so we take here minus sign, and minor of that element, so 0 3 1 1, deleting that row and column, 0 3 1 1. Now 0 minus 3 minus 3, and this outside minus, so it becomes plus 3. Now A11 A12 A13. Now we find A13. A13 has sign plus into determinant of, deleting first row third column, so 0 2 1 2, 0 2 1 2 is equal to, now 0 minus 2, so minus 2. Now A21 has sign minus, so minus of minor of A21, so deleting this second row first column, 0 1 2 1, 0 1 2 1 is equal to, so this 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, and this minus, it becomes plus 2. Now A22 has sign plus, so plus, and minor of A22, so deleting second row second column, 1 1 1 1, so here 1 1, and after solving this 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now A23 has sign minus 1, minus, so therefore minus of, deleting second row third column 1 0 1 2, 1 0 1 2. So 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 2, and outside minus, so that is minus 2. Now A31, A31, A31 has sign plus, so plus times minor of this A31 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, so 0 minus 2 minus 2. Next, cofactor of A32, A32, third row second column, it has sign minus, so minus of minor of that element 1 1 0 3, 1 1 0 3. So here 3 minus 0 3, and outside minus, so it is minus 3. Now A33, A33 has sign plus, so plus times 1 0 0 2, 1 0 0 2, so 2 minus 0, that is 2. So in this way we can find the cofactor of each element. या साइन मॅट्रिक्सचा यूज करायचा आणि हा फॉर्म्युला लिहायचा. फक्त इथलं साइन घेऊन हे सगळे कोफॅक्टर्स काढायचे. नाउ वी राइट कोफॅक्टर मॅट्रिक्स. कोफॅक्टर मॅट्रिक्स, कोफॅक्टर मॅट्रिक्स कसं लिहितो आपण? त्या एलिमेंट्सच्या जागी त्याची कोफॅक्टर लिहायची, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय मिळतो? कोफॅक्टर मॅट्रिक्स. वी रिप्लेस each element by its cofactor. We replace each element by its cofactor. So here A11 is minus 4, A12 is 3, A13 is minus 2, A21 2, A22 0, A23 again minus 2, here minus 2, minus 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 2. So this is cofactor matrix. So this one is cofactor matrix. Now adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of cofactor matrix. Adjoint of A कसं काढायचं? तर या मॅट्रिक्सचा ट्रान्सपोज घ्यायचे, रोचे कॉलम करायचे किंवा कॉलमचे रोज. So adjoint of A is equal to first row becomes first column. So minus 4 3 minus 2. Here first row becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. So 2 0 minus 2. Third row becomes minus 2 minus 3 2. So this is adjoint of A. Now we have the formula for inverse by adjoint method. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. We have the formula A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now we substitute the values in this formula. Determinant of A, we have got minus 6. We replace this determinant by minus 6. And adjoint of A, we replace this by matrix. So therefore, now consider, so A inverse is equal to 1 upon minus 6. Determinant of A आपण काढलं होतं ते minus 6 आलं होतं. So we have replaced minus 6 and then the matrix minus 4 2 minus 2 3 0 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 2. So this is the inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. तुम्ही आता हे 1/6 आत सुद्धा ट्रान्सफर करू शकता, प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला मल्टिप्लाय करू शकता किंवा हे असंच ठेवू शकता. ठीक आहे. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण इनवर्स ऑफ ए मॅट्रिक्स बाय ॲडजॉइंट मेथड बघितलेला आहे. आणखीन एक एक्झाम्पल बघूया इनवर्स ऑफ ए मॅट्रिक्स बाय ॲडजॉइंट मेथड. Now we see the second example, 3/3 matrix. Example of inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. Now the example is find the inverse of the matrix A. Find the inverse of a matrix by adjoint method A. First row 1 2 3. First row 1 2 3. Second row 1 1 5. 1 1 5 and 2 4 7. 2 4 7. So we have to find the inverse of this matrix by using adjoint method. For that, we first find determinant of A. So determinant of A 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7. Now we expand this determinant. So 1 into 7 minus 20. 7 minus 20 minus 2 times 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 plus 3 times 4 minus 2. So that is equal to 7 minus 20, 1 into middle sign minus 2 into 7 minus 10 and lastly 3 into 4 minus 2. So therefore 7 minus 20, so that is minus 13. 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2. So that is plus 6. 4 minus 2. 2. 2 into 3. That is 6. And we have get the value is minus 1. So minus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. And he value different from 0 आहे त्यामुळे A inverse exists. ठीक आहे. Next, now we find cofactor of each element by using formula Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. So we write this formula. आपण हा फॉर्म्युला लिहिणार आहे पण ॲक्च्युअली यूज नाही करणार. आपण सोप्या पद्धतीने कोफॅक्टर्स काढणार आहोत बाय युजिंग साइन मॅट्रिक्स. हे बघा साइन मॅट्रिक्स मी इथं दाखवतो. साइन मॅट्रिक्स काय तर प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस अल्टरनेट प्लस मायनस साइन्स इज देयर. So therefore, now we find the cofactor of each element one by one. So first A11, cofactor of first element A11, and here we can see that its sign is plus. 1 means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, minus 1 raised to 2, minus 1 raised to 2 means again plus 1. So for that there is plus sign. So plus times minor of this element 1 5 4 7 1 5 4 7. Now solve this determinant. 7 minus 20. 7 minus 20 means 7 minus 20, that is minus 13. Next A12 has sign first to second column minus. So we take minus sign. So here first row second column, deleting first row second column 1 5 2 7 1 5 2 7. Now solve this. 7 minus 10 here 7 minus 10, so minus 3 and minus 3 into this minus, so it becomes plus 3. Now A13 has first row third column has sign plus, so here plus times delete first row third column 1 1 2 4 1 1 2 4, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Similarly A21 we find cofactor A21 has the sign minus, So here minus times, delete that second row first column. So 2, 3, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 7 is equal to. So minus sign, it remains as it is. 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12, 2 into this minus, so minus 2. Next, here up to this we get 4 cofactors. Now next, A22 means element at in second row second column. So A22 has the sign plus, and minor of this A22 1327. 1327 is equal to 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. Next, A23 second row third column, it has sign minus, so minus times deleting second row third column 1 2 2 4, we get the determinant of order 2 by 2, 1 2 2 4, so that is minus times 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 0 0 into minus 1 again 0. Now A31, now A31 has the sign plus, A31 la plus sign hai. So therefore deleting third row first column 2 3 1 5, 2 3 1 5, 2 3 1 5, and so 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3, that is 7. Next, A32 has sign minus. Whenever you see the addition is odd, then there is minus sign. So deleting third row second column 1 1 3 5, 1 1 3 5, that is 5 minus 3, minus times 5 minus 3, minus 2 into this minus, so it becomes plus 2. Sorry, 5 minus 3, 2 into minus, so that is minus 2. Next, A33, we find A33 has sign plus, and its cofactor 1 2 1 1, 1 2 1 1, so that is equal to, so 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. In this way we can find all the cofactors of elements of a matrix. Now we write cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. आपण आता काय लिहिणार? Cofactor matrix लिहिणार. By replacing each element by its cofactor. त्या एलिमेंटच्या जागी त्याचा cofactor लिहिणार. A11 इथे -13. Next, A12 3 2 3 2. Next, A21 -2 1 0 -2 1 0. Next, 7 minus 2 minus 1, 7 minus 2 minus 1. So this is cofactor matrix. Now by taking transpose of this cofactor matrix, we get adjoint of a matrix. So adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of above matrix. Transpose घेणार आपण रो चे कॉलम चे रोज करणार. So -3 -13 3 2. First row becomes first column. Second row -2 1 0 -2 1 0, and 7 -2 -1. So this is adjoint of A. Now we have the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, 1 upon determinant of A, that is -1, into adjoint of A, so -13 -2 7 3 1 -2 2 0 -1. So here 1 upon -1, again -1, we multiply each element of this matrix by -1. -1 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यामुळे काय होईल? फक्त साइन चेंज होईल. So change the sign of each element. minus 13 becomes plus 13, 2 minus 7, here minus 3 minus 1 plus 2, minus 2 0 plus 1. So this is A inverse. So in this way we can find the inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. तर आपण इथं नेहमी हे कोफॅक्टर काढताना हे चिन्ह वापरायचे, प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस. ॲक्च्युली फॉर्म्युला लिहिताना भरपूर लिखाण करावं लागतं, त्याच्याऐवजी आपण हे असे कोफॅक्टर्स काढणार. ठीक आहे, थांबूया आपण. नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ मॅट्रायसेस बघूया.